Board and batten shutters can be installed in just a few simple steps. Hi, I'm Claire. I'm a licensed contractor, a homeowner, and a mom. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is to install ply gem shutters on your home. All you need is a drill, a level, and the included color-matched screws. Ply gem's innovative design allows the screws to be completely hidden behind these batten boards. Start by popping off the batten cap, and then slide the board off the shutter. We'll be working with power tools, so make sure to wear safety glasses and gloves. Align your shutter with the window. Use a level to be sure it's exact. Drill a pilot hole through the shutter, leaving a small mark on the wall. Then remove the shutter and drill a smaller pilot hole directly into the wall. Now align the shutter with the pilot hole. Now use a Phillips head bit to insert the screws and tighten until they're just touching the surface of the shutter. Make sure not to screw it in too tightly. Once the shutters are installed, reattach the batten boards by sliding them gently over the rail. Gently reinstall the batten caps by clipping them into the end of the boards. Nothing complements your windows better than ply gem shutters. Visit the link for more DIY tips and tricks.